Hey guys, my name is Ron and welcome to thenoypichef. We are making special fried rice today. Very easy, super simple, but full of flavor. You don't really have to serve anything next to it, guys. With all the ingredients we're adding in it, it's gonna be perfect. Before we jump in our session, please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram account, Facebook page and YouTube channel. Just type thenoypichef, click the follow or the subscribe button, and that's it. You guys ready for it? Let's begin. To start this dish, make sure your pan is ready and hot. I'm gonna drop some oil in it, add some garlic, onion, carrots, and some prawns. Once the prawns is cooked halfway through, we're gonna add some ham in it. Gonna add some sweet corn as well, some peas, pepper, and green cabbage. Mix it well. Oh, that smells really good. Once we're done cooking the veg and the meat for the dish, we can start adding some flavor. I'm gonna drop some fish sauce in it, about 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, a tablespoon of soy sauce, some salt, and some pepper. Mix it and add our cooked scrambled egg in. The reason why I cook my scrambled egg in advance is because I don't want to do it in the pan together with all the flavors that we just put in here. Otherwise, if we do the egg together with all this ingredient that we've got in here, the egg will suck all the flavor. I don't want that. Once everything is ready, we can drop our rice in. Grab another spoon and mix it. I'm gonna add a bit of chives just to put some more flavor in it. And that's it. Special, quick, easy egg fried rice. Thanks for watching. See you later.